My name is Ron Kreisel, and I'm a patient of Dr. Slaughter's, and I'd like to relay a little bit of my experience. I have had or suffered from allergy issues my entire life, also from a deviated septum that I was not aware of, and consequently it finally reached the point where I could no longer deal with the stuffiness and the allergy symptoms, etc. And I really didn't realize, even though I had been in an automobile accident many years ago that had broken my nose, I didn't realize the issue was quite as serious as what it was. The consequence of the allergies and the deviated septum was that I constantly had the allergic type symptoms. Consequently, my sinuses would plug and I would develop a sinus infection, and it just became very irritating. I had had 3 previous sinus surgeries to correct the drainage, none of which adequately worked for any period of time, and so consequently, by referral from a friend, I found Dr. Slaughter, and I'd like to relate my experiences just a little bit. First of all, there was extreme professionalism all along the line, and I was very impressed with Dr. Slaughter's immediate knowledge of my issue, with a very brief examination and a very thorough explanation of what he intended to do to resolve my problem. On the day of my surgery, if you will call it that, because it ultimately didn't feel much like that, but I was prepared for what was going to happen by the staff. It all went exactly as they had told me it would. The absolute best thing about it was that after I became awake after the surgery, I had absolutely no discomfort, and even with the immediately following the surgery and the bandage across the bottom of my nose, when I got home, I had realized I had not bled one drop. I had no pain in my nose or my sinuses at all, which again was very surprising to me. I think that I bled a total of 3 drops, and that was only because I bent over to do something when I got home, but that immediately stopped. I use a CPAP machine, and I was a little concerned that my first night at home I would have a problem with that. I did not. It went absolutely flawlessly. I was very impressed with the result and have continued to be very impressed with the result now, some probably 6 weeks later. I would encourage anyone who has had a similar issue to certainly seek counsel from a Dr. Slaughter. I just simply can't say enough about the relief that it has provided me, and I am very happy with the result, and very happy with Dr. Slaughter and his staff.